I'm Stefan Smit, South African artist, aka These 10 Fingers, and I'm all the way from South Africa, working with my friend Chris Valentine.
My name is Chris Valentine. I'm an artist and illustrator from Johannesburg, South Africa. I work predominantly in oil paint. I've done everything over the last sort of 14 or 15 years of my own business, from commercial illustration through to street art, fine art.
My experience at Daler-Rowney so far has been really incredible. I've loved getting a chance to see the factory and see behind the scenes how everything is made, and also to meet all of the employees of Daler-Rowney. It's really been an incredible experience. For years I've been getting the paints and the amazing supplies, but I've never seen anything beyond that. So getting a peek behind the curtain has been absolutely incredible. So Chris and I had an awesome opportunity to be able to go into the showroom, and winning a golden ticket and going into Willy Wonka's chocolate factory, we were able to use any of the products, and we said yes to all of them. So the Beatrix Botter that you see behind me was a whole bunch of different types of oil paints, mainly the water-soluble oils, and all of the swallows that you see are used with System3 fluids, heavy body, soft body. We used a whole bunch of different texture mediums like crackling paste, just everything we could get our hands on. So it's been, over and above a lovely process painting, it's just been a lot of fun being able to try all of the different products out. Chris and I were trying to figure out what to paint for this piece, and we were thinking that over the years there have been some amazing artists like Turner Constable and Beatrix Botter who have used Daler-Rowney products. And Chris and I were thinking about how we both used to read Peter Rabbit's stories as kids. So we wanted to pay homage to Beatrix Botter and just be able to kind of have a portrait of her as though she's kind of looking out over the swallows flying and musing, thinking about her next book that she wanted to write.